Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the outer CV boot without removing the CV joint from the drive axle on most cars. First we need to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub. Next we need to remove the two clamps that hold the CV boot and cut the CV boot and remove the CV boot. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we can put on the new CV boot with this CV boot expansion tool. It's a pneumatic tool which expands the elastic CV boot. You can only use universal CV boots on this tool because they're more elastic. The original ones are not elastic and will break. So I'm expanding the CV boot as much as possible, and then I'm just going to bring it over the CV joint, and then I'm gonna loosen the tool and then remove the CV boot and put it on the drive shaft. Now that the CV boot is on, we can put more grease on, or if it's been very dry and dirty, we have to clean it first and then put grease on, and then we put the CV boot onto the CV joint and then put the two clamps on, and after that assemble everything in the reverse order.